Hi guys, welcome back to Staff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to sign up in ChatGPT. This is very quick and easy guys, and I know that you are excited because ChatGPT will really blows up your mind. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So on your mobile phone, just go to your Google and then at the search engine, just type chat.openai.com. This one. Alright, so just search it and then as you can see, welcome to ChatGPT. You are going to log in or sign up. So since we're going to sign it up, just tap sign up. And then once you click that one, guys, you can now create your account. Okay? Next, guys, is you can now click continue to Google or continue to Microsoft account if you have, and also continue with Apple. Alright, so now let's continue with Google. Let us use our Google account. Okay? So once you click that one, guys, once we click our email account, so this will be the second step. So tell us about you, your name and your family name, of course, and you have to input also your birth date over here at the lower part. Yes, so let us try this one. Let's input and click continue. So once we're done in clicking setting up our birthday, then let us move on to verify your phone number. Alright, so let's type our number here. So just make sure that your number is correct, so because it will send you a code. Okay, so let's just wait for a moment that the ChatGPT will send the code of yours. And now let us enter the code. Okay, let's just paste it. And once it's done, let us wait for a moment, a little bit. Let this ChatGPT lose. Alright, so there we go. So we can now start chatting ChatGPT. We can now start asking anyone anything what we want in ChatGPT. Alright, so there we go. This is on how to sign up in ChatGPT. So if you want to know on how to sign up in ChatGPT, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to sign up in ChatGPT, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!